3.
Welcome back to N-Powerment Nursing. I'm Linda, and this is Ashley, and we are nurse educators. You are tuning into our series In the Know, where we make it simple. Today we are sharing with you the scary truth about writing the nursing registration exam.
Before we get started, we invite you to subscribe to our live videos. So you can be notified whenever we go online. You can also subscribe to us on YouTube. You're going to find tons of videos on our YouTube channel, content related as well as strategies. Like and share this video with your nursing friends, and be sure to follow our Facebook page. You can also check out our website at www.n-powermentnursing.com, where you can experience our free trial and view our complete study packages. So in keeping with a Halloween theme, we are talking about scary truths that we have discovered as we work with multiple graduates around writing the registration exam. And we're going to share with you the top 5 that we've come up with. The first one we're going to talk about is how graduates often don't study thoroughly or study at all for the first attempt on the registration exam. Especially if you're writing an exam that has unlimited attempts, it kind of gives you the impression that you can just wing it or go see what it's like, right? Maybe you even have the strategy that you're going to go for it, try and avoid the study process, you did well in school, whatever that may be. But the scary truth around that is that it costs more than just the money to write the exam. If you don't pass that exam on your first attempt, it also costs you your self-esteem. And every subsequent attempt gets to be a little more challenging and a little more trying on your own sense of competence as well as your confidence.
Mm-hmm. Our second scary truth has to do with attempting the exam more than once and not changing how you study. Mm-hmm. The scary truth about this really was captured by Albert Einstein so brilliantly when he said, insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. You must change how you study.
Number 3 scary truth. Those graduates who have unlimited attempts to write often feel like they don't need to study because you can just write it as many times as you want. The scary truth about this is the longer it takes you to pass, the further from school, the further from the content you get, the further destroyed your confidence becomes, the bigger the pressure becomes. So unlimited attempts shouldn't gauge how you prepare to write the exam, if you will.
Our fourth scary truth is that when you work on a temporary license, sometimes this creates a sense in graduates that they are learning on the job. The scary truth about working while you're trying to study is that your job doesn't encompass all the topics that you need to study for your registration exam, and it takes you away from studying.
Mm-hmm. You might even be working on a specialized unit, right? So you become really specialized in that experience, which is a great thing. But the registration exam is kind of encompassing of all of nursing. So if you're spending your time in a specialty, you're getting further and further away from the generalized knowledge required to pass. Scary truth number 5, graduates often have family members that encourage them to write the exam just to get it over with because they are tired of seeing you stressed out. They are tired of seeing you suffering. So they actually encourage you to write prior to you feeling prepared. The scary truth about listening to those loved ones is that they have no idea what it is that you are attempting to pass. Their encouragement can start to be feeling like it's judgment and it's pressure. Don't write under pressure, write when you feel ready. So just to recap, scary truth number 1, graduates don't often study for their first attempt. Scary truth number 2, graduates who attempt the exam more than once often don't change the way they study. Scary truth number 3, graduates who have unlimited attempts to write sometimes feel like they don't need to study. Scary truth number 4, working on a temporary license gives you the impression that you're learning while on the job. And scary truth number 5, graduates often have family members that encourage them to write just to get the exam over with. So we encourage you to avoid these scary truths. If you're looking to gain all of the content, critical thinking, and confidence that you need to pass your registration exam, we have complete NCLEX, NCLEX-PN, and CPNRE course packages. We guarantee you'll pass or your money back. We hope these 5 scary truths have helped you out. And thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time on In the Know. Bye for now.